We still have leftover cracked chicken. This is what I'm going to do with it now. I'm going to make a grilled cheese cracked chicken sandwich. Think maybe like a tuna fish melt, but with this cracked chicken. All right, I already heated this up in the microwave for like a minute. That's all I need, is just a little bit. It's not the quickest way to get rid of cracked chicken, but it's so tasty. It's going to be delicious. So I'm gonna be using this sourdough bread, and I have a slice of Monterey Jack cheese with jalapenos and habanero poppers, and I got a slice of cheddar cheese. So we're gonna cook up this grilled cheese right here on the stove with our cracked chicken in the middle of it, and the cheeses and the bread. So let's go ahead and get started with this. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab 2 slices of our sourdough bread. Put that there. We'll get our cheeses out ready to go, so that when this is nice and hot, we can slap it on there real quick. All right, so here is our cheddar cheese. We'll put that on one side, and then here is our jalapeno habanero Monterey Jack cheese. We give it a nice spice. I've been telling you this whole time that what these need is they need some spicy cheese to go on. All right, move that over there, move this over here. All right, put this here. And let's see, some butter, some nice soft butter, and butter one side of the bread. There we go. You can see that. We're gonna butter this up real nice. Oops, that's too much butter. Put it on here. Get this bread buttered real nice. All right, so we butter up one side. Butter up one side of the bread. Make sure there's plenty of butter on that one side. Now we're going to start our stove. We won't need this anymore, so I'll put this over here. Get this going. Butter up our pan. There we go. Get a nice layer of melted butter on here. That's nice. Now we can throw this down. One here, one there. So that's all taken care of. Grab one of our spatulas. So we're just going to get this side nice and golden brown. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, that looks good. All right, so put down some butter here. Put that down. Put down some butter here. Put that down. Got a slice of cheese here. Got a slice of cheese here. Done with that. Lower the temperature a little bit. You can see the cheese is already starting to starting to melt a little bit. We're going to put our cracked chicken. Squish that down. Cracked chicken I already put in the microwave, so it's nice and hot. Done with this. You can see that this is already starting to melt on here, so we'll turn that over. All right, so now we want to get more butter on here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to keep putting down some butter. I'm going to turn this down to low. so it cooks nice and slow. This side looks really nice. Put down some butter on this side. Flip it over. Oh, that looks really good too. You can see the cheese is already coming right off it. Nice and melted. Just sit for a little bit. Oh, that looks good. So I'm going to turn this off. Grab a knife. This here. Just turn it off, move it over so the dogs don't burn their noses. And let's check this out. Oh, look at that. Yeah, the cheese, look at that cheese is nice and gooey. I don't know if you can see that in there, but that's nice and gooey. Mmm. Oh, it's a cracked chicken, grilled cheese sandwich, sourdough bread, jalapeno habanero cheese, Monterey Jack, and cheddar cheese, leftover cracked chicken. This is so delicious. I could eat this all day, every day.